Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm downstairs because I'm all alone. Hubby's gone on his work's Christmas do, which means that I thought I'd just come downstairs for a change of scenery, get the tree in the background, and today, surprise, surprise at last, it's my Birchbox. Finally, it's here. It's, what date is it? The 14th. What's going on, guys? So I'm going to get it opened. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to open it really carefully along the side, because I've noticed on a lot of my previous boxes I seem to have a score line down the centre of my box, and I'm pretty sure I've not done that, but I want to see if I just open it along the edge if my box has a mark down it, in which case, ooh, it's pretty. Look at this. Oh my word. Have I got a mark? There is still a score line on there, you can't see, but look at that. You actually can't tell in real life what this is like, sorry, on the camera. It is honestly beautiful. All this blue is glittered. It's sort of embossed along here, the snow scene. Oh my gosh, or debossed maybe, I think it's debossed. And gold stars, like rose gold, or they just, I think like rose gold. Wow. So let's get inside. Really, really pretty scene. I wish actually though that the trees were along the front as well, but that's because I am never ever happy. So Birchbox monthly subscription box, £10 for the box, £2.95 postage and packaging. I wanted to film this tonight and I'm going to upload it tonight because today, the 14th of December, Birchbox have got free P&P on all orders. So if there's anything you're wanting to buy and you want to save on your postage, get it done. I had quite a few £5 vouchers from referring you guys over to Birchbox, which means I've looked for cheap items and I've put them through as individual purchases so that everything I've got is free without any postage. So once that arrives, I've only done 3 of them I think, but once they arrive I will let you have a look at what I've got. So here we go. This is what's inside. I've seen a couple of sneak peeks, but everybody's boxes are different. So there's a couple of things that I really want and there's a couple of things I really don't. So here we go. Oh, I've got something I want. It was this, I can recognise it. Let me get the card out and then she'll go from there. What have we got? It feels quite packed. I'm really hoping for an excellent an excellent box today. I've got loads of vouchers in the bottom. I'm not sure what's going on here. So we have got in here loads of vouchers for Hotel Chocolat. They must know I'm a chocoholic, and it is for £5 off, an introductory offer. So £5 off or £10 off. Use online at hotelchocolat.com. It must be just spreading the word because I'm sure it must just be off your first purchase. But anyway, here's a voucher. Have a little look at that. What else is there? £10 off at the Birchbox shop. Use the code MERRY and you get £10 off when you spend £50. That's not bad. Plus free P&P. I think you probably get free P&P anyway. Oh, and I've got 2 booklets. That makes up for it being late. Right, so what does it say? Next, the sneak peek for January. Pick your full size of Cosmetics Essence Moonlight Cushion worth £22 in apricot tinge or copper rose, which is here, one of these 2, and it is a luminescent glow to the skin with this lightweight moisturising highlighter. Keep an eye on your inbox to pick your favourites. Right, let's crack on. So first thing actually is from Hotel Chocolat, and I do believe this is a little freebie extra, a special chocolate treat for your December Birchbox, although you're sweet enough already. Yes I am, yes I am. Let's have a look. Yummy, yummy, they look so nice. We actually have a store in York, so if I like these I might go treat myself to something. Let's read the booklet. I've just come from work, it's why I'm a bit crazy. There's Ruby. How long is it since she's been in the video? Ruby, hello. Have you been missing me? Have you? Oh, she used to always be in my videos when I filmed in my lounge. Oh, good girl. So it says, hello Birchboxers, December has well and truly arrived. Seriously, where has 2018 gone? To celebrate, we're embracing the glitz and glamour of the festive season with a seriously sparkly box packed with goodies from a party-proof lippy and 2 extra treats. We've got everything in place for you to twinkle all the way. So, let's have a look, see what we have. So, first thing I've got is this comb, and it says the Birchbox hair comb. So this plastic comb is hard on tangles but easy on your hair. The wide teeth help work through stubborn knots without causing breakage, and we love using it on hair mask day to comb through the product from root to tip treatment. Now I do use a lot of hair masks and deep conditioning treatments, so that'll be fab. It's got a bit of a funky design on it. And yeah, so I'm quite pleased to get that. That's one of the little extras. And as I said, the chocolates were an extra as well. And it says here for the Hotel Chocolat. Oh, this is worth £5. The duo of chocolates is, what does it say? So, we're advocates of treating yourself all year round, but there's something about December that calls for a little extra indulgence. Please note, Hotel Chocolat chocolates are made in a factory that handles tree nuts, peanuts, blah blah blah. So obviously just saying it may contain nuts. I don't have a nut allergy, so I can enjoy them. Next thing I've got is, which will go perfectly with my comb, and it's a Percy and Reed totally hydrating mask. Is that Totally Tick? It looks like, or TLC. I thought it said Totally Tick. I thought, who wants ticks in their hair? Oh, I need to sleep. Totally TLC hydrating mask. RRP for a full size would be £22. No matter how thick or thin your hair is, all strands need one thing: moisture. This is just the mask to give them what they crave. Brimming with nourishing ingredients, it leaves hair soft, manageable and conditioned. Use it in place of your conditioner, leave for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse and style as usual. So I'm really interested to try this. I'm not always a fan of Percy and Reed, however I am very, very excited about hair masks. Those I like, so thank you, that'll be lovely. Next thing, very happy to have this because I just wanted this so much. I have the shower foam gel thing of it already, and it's by Rituals, and it's the Ritual of Ayurveda, and it's the Balancing Body Cream. I am so happy to get this. So it is 70 mils. And this smells beautiful. So the body cream is the ultimate multitasker, rejuvenating both body and mind, combining the irresistible aroma of Indian rose with pampering Himalayan honey. The nourishing formula sinks in quickly to hydrate your skin and calm the senses. Manage into clean skin daily for super soft limbs. The full size of this would be £19.50. I just think it's such a lovely, lovely product. This is it there, and it is just, all the Ritual things is just divine. I was so close to buying a Rituals advent calendar this year, and to be honest, I think next year I'm going to just get one. Oh, it's so delicious. I'm so happy I've got that. Next thing is a sheet mask, and it is an OK bubble sheet mask. Again, I say it every time I get one. 2019, every Friday it is going to be Face Mask Friday. I promise you. 52 masks I am going to review in a year. So this one, this is RRPs for £7.50. So this innovative sheet mask reacts with the oxygen in the air to form tiny bubbles when you place it on your face. Not only does it result in hilariously foamy face, but it purifies and smooths skin for a radiant complexion Apply to clean skin, leave for 10 minutes, then remove and rinse your face clean. So yeah, I love a face mask. I have got quite a lot of these bubble masks. I've still never used one because I just love to get stuff and stick it in a drawer. So yes, can't wait to try it and then to compare it to the other ones I've already got. Next thing, and I saw this on Kaylee MC had one of these, and I was like, ooh, I didn't know this was going to be coming in Birchbox. I'm really happy to have it. And this is one of the Birchbox, the Benefit Minis, and it is California. And I actually haven't got this. I've got loads of the Benefit Minis, but not this one, so I'm really happy. Full size is £25.50. So it says, you look like you've been California dreaming, even in the depths of winter, with just a swipe of this golden pink blush. It blends peachy coral and shimmery gold for sun-kissed hues that complements all skin tones. Oh, and it smells amazing. A mix of fruity grapefruit and sweet vanilla. I got the Gold Rush one earlier in the year because she had a choice of the two. So I don't know if these are ones that are just left over and they're getting rid of them, but I don't mind because this is different to the other one I had. And I have to say, since I got the Gold Rush, I actually have used it almost every single day. So wow, it's really peach. Oh, they just smell so nice. It looks really, really orange here, but let's have a look. I think that'd be nice for the tan. It is actually quite pigmented, but it may well go on much nicer with a brush, so we shall see. I thought it might have a little, quite often these have like a top coat of gold shimmer, but there isn't on this one. But yeah, it's very corally, very orange. Maybe a nice summer colour, but I'll give it a go and we shall see. Next thing is a Laritzi long lasting liquid lipstick, and this was our choice for this month. We had a choice of 2 shades and we could either choose Tidal or Power. One was a redishy colour, another one was like a mauvey colour. I've chosen Tidal, which I think is like the mauve type shade. Yes it is. So this is it here. Let's just pop a little swatch on the back of my hand. That is such a lovely colour. Look at that. That is so nice. Finally, I'm starting to get some lipsticks that I like the look of. I've had so many recently that I just don't like, but this is beautiful. And I got one in my latest in beauty as well, which was a George lipstick, ironically, which is fab. So this one is a full size. The RRP is for £20, and it says the liquid formula delivers rich pigmented colour that seriously won't budge. Plus, the comfortable texture means it won't settle into the lines of your lips or leave them feeling dried, which is, I just can't find a comfortable liquid lip. So if that works for me, then I'm sold. Just apply it directly to your lips using the wand and relax, knowing that there is no need to reapply throughout the day. Quite a big claim, I think, there, but it's still wet. It's not quite dried down yet, but I do like the colour. Now, I have an extra product in my box, which means that one of you lovely people has subscribed to Birchbox and used my code. So thank you very much. And so you'd have got £5 off your first box. I actually do know who it is because I get an email telling me, so thank you. But I won't name you on here because in case you don't want me to. But as a result of that, I got an OPI nail polish, and this is in the shade, I've broken my glasses today, so I can't see very well. I need to get them fixed, but I'm at work forevermore. But anyway, this is a really nice, very pale, pinky, lavenderish shade. Nice flat brush. I nearly smelt it, which is just a bit odd. I don't need to do that. So yes, there we go. Now, I do have a referral code down below. I'll put it across the screen. If you would like to use that to get £5 off your first box, that would be lovely. don't forget, for everybody else as well, there is free delivery today. I'm not sure if that would apply to getting your Birchbox if you're a new subscriber, so you wouldn't have to pay for delivery, but it's worth checking, and you never know, it might be, because it does say on all orders. And as I say, if you've got any codes to use for vouchers, get them used up today. So that is it. So just to recap what is in my box. So I got my free nail polish from somebody who used my code. Thank you very much. And then I got the Rituals body cream, which I am just delighted about. I got the Larizzi liquid lip, the Benefit blusher, Percy and Reed hair mask. Where is everything? Oh, there we go. I couldn't see it. I thought it was a piece of paper. The OK sheet mask. Then on top of that, we've got the comb. And the chocolate. So I think that is a really, really, really good box, actually, to be fair. It's a really nice mix of things. I've got some skincare, some hair care, some makeup, some little luxury items like pamper items. So yeah, I think, thank you very much, Birchbox. And here's that again, because how beautiful is that box? Let's do the smile from a thumbnail. Hey, and there we go. So thank you so much. Being a bit manic, I think it's because I've come straight in from work and just filmed and rambled. Thanks for all your support. You know that I really appreciate it. And take care. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope you've enjoyed my Christmas tree, because I absolutely love it. It's just beautiful. 7 foot, it just went in, and my latest in beauty will go up tomorrow now. I was going to put it up tonight, but I wanted to let you know about the free postage at Birchbox. So yes, there we go. So take care, guys. Have a fabulous weekend. I'm working all weekend, boo-hoo, but never mind. And I'll see you all again later. Bye.